Gukorwo ni urabangite guthie gicwa-ini riu no ugate tigiti na mugithi wa SGR kuna riu Mihang'o ya Ukuui ni icokereirie kurumirira mwerekera wa minister wa Ukuui guku bururi-ini.
I've resumed this service today and this is in compliance with the protocol that we submitted to our ministry and it was submitted to the Ministry of Health.
Ukuui wa mugithi wa SGR wabite kurugama kwa ihinda ria mieri itatu kumana na hahu ya king'uki gia COVID-19 na riu ruhonge rwa riri rutigereire mitaratara yothe ria gathikitwo ni Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni arumirirwo niguo gukinyaniria Ukuui.
We are screening all our passengers from the point of entry to the point of ticketing and to the point where they have to wait before they board the train.
Aria othe maraingira guku maramba guthimwo rugari magacoka magethamba moko matanaingira kuria marathie kurorerwo mirigo na thutha ucio makagata tigiti. Maya mothe marathie na mbere magithingata watho wa kuraihaniriria kuona mugithi urakuwa nuthu ya andu aria ukuaga mihang'o-ini yaguo ya o muthenya.
For us, we got to provide this service as a way of starting off the movement of our people between Nairobi and Mombasa. Gradually, as guided by the government, we'll be able to put other measures in place to make sure that maybe we increase the number, depending on compliance levels.
Ona gutwika kuri na andu aingi mareyandikithitie kuma Nairobi guthie Mombasa na baya aria meyumiririe roneka inyihiriire ukiringithania na uingi wa andu uria wakoragwo hau kabere ceceni-ini ino.
We had a lot of numbers, almost 1,500 people who had booked. But you know, we have to carry only 50% of that number. So the rest have to wait to travel the following day or another day. But we are excited that overwhelmingly the service is fully booked.
Na ona gutwika marihi ma Ukuui marugamire o haria mari athii matinoneka kuiganira na motungata maria mamukirire umuthi makiuga macungiririe gubanga raini ndaihu muira mamukirite motungata.
We're spending a lot of time washing hands and there's only 2 taps there, and then by the time people are lining up, that's when they realize, oh, sanitizer can really work. Yeah, and tumekimbia sana.
Ona kuri uguo kambuni ya Ukuui wa mugithi wa SGR ni yukitie Mihang'o ino ikiuga giki no kiambiriria na matanya mao ni matuko-ini mokite Ukuui ni ugucokereria uta mutugo. Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jetagwo Muringi wa Gure.